Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time in a renovated kitchen. And last week talked about the wall that we had taken out, and we were able to fit a bigger peninsula in now. So this is approximately 36 inches long. So we have our 24-inch cabinet with a 12-inch overhang. Great area for entertaining now, and as you can see, it flows right through into the living space. And we did keep the knee wall, a couple pendant lights here, still have the light above the actual table, and then we put pot lights in the kitchen. This was a stippled ceiling. We talk about it all the time, but you know, the old stipple where they sprayed it on. So Teddy came in here and he scraped this entire area and skimmed it with 3 coats mud, sanded it, painted it. Incredible. So when you're doing a reno, you got a stippled ceiling because you get all the cobwebs stuck on there and all the dark stuff. Scrape it off. If it hasn't been painted, it's actually not so bad. If it's been painted, you have to basically scrape all the rough edges and then you can skim over top. But if it's never been painted, it'll literally just scrape right off. Bit of a job. But I'll tell you, the guys are, they know what they're doing when they're getting to it. Into this area here, obviously the stove, the over-TR, over-the-range microwave. Really like the backsplash, and I like the way it was laid. It just gives that contrast to the kitchen, which is quite nice. It kind of blends with the handles as well. And then through this area, touch faucet. So again, just touch it, turn it on, turn it off, kind of cool. And this is actually really creative and a great idea, and this is what the homeowner wanted. A little sitting area, so she has storage, so there's 3 drawers here, which is quite nice. So lots of extra storage for things you may not use or just on those special holidays. And a great cushion, so you're sitting here, somebody's doing the dishes, you get to sit down, relax. Just gives you 3 or 4 more places to sit. Beautiful kitchen, it looks incredible. I hope you like it as much as we do.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Brayley Drive.